Namaskar and welcome. Before we go on to today's Asli Kahani, let's take a moment to reflect. What is really happening in our society? Just recently, Kolkata was yet again devastated by a horrifying gang rape of a law student. Premeditated by 3 accused with a history of harassment and blackmailing victims using recorded footage. And now, in Navi Mumbai, a newborn girl was abandoned by her parents in a heartbreaking note citing financial and mental struggles, pleading for her safety. These incidents expose the deepening social concerns that demand our urgent attention. How much longer can we afford to ignore these pressing issues? On June 30, 2025, a reactor explosion at Sigachi Industries pharmaceutical plant in Telangana's Sangareddy district has claimed 34 lives. The blast, suspected to be caused by a chemical reaction, triggered a massive fire. Rescue operations are ongoing with 31 bodies extricated from the rubble and 3 others injured. Authorities, including the NDRF, are involved in recovery efforts. The state government has formed a committee to investigate the incident, while Sigachi Industries has halted operations for 90 days. Starting July 1, 2025, Indian Railways is set to roll out upgraded services, though fare hikes have sparked mixed reactions. While some welcome the improvements, many are concerned about overcrowding, safety issues, and the lack of senior citizen concessions, which was suspended during the pandemic. Passengers are urging for better train quality, reduced fare discrepancies, and improved cleanliness and food quality. The move is being seen as a step towards privatization, with some pointing out the need for stronger passenger rights enforcement. On June 30, 2025, the Karnataka government drafted the Misinformation and Fake News Prohibition Bill, aiming to penalize those spreading misinformation with jail terms and fines up to 10 lakh rupees. The bill proposes the creation of a regulatory authority to monitor and ban content deemed disrespectful to Sanatan symbols or promoting superstition. It also targets social media platforms for spreading fake news. Critics have raised concerns about its implications on free speech, with the Supreme Court having previously struck down similar laws. On June 30, 2025, the US Senate is debating President Donald Trump's controversial Big Beautiful Bill, a 940-page proposal that includes tax cuts and significant spending reductions. Democrats argue the bill could add $3.3 trillion to the national debt over the next decade, while stripping health coverage from 11.8 million Americans. Despite criticism, Republicans are pushing the bill forward with hopes of approval despite concerns over its long-term economic impact. The bill's outcome will be crucial for both Trump's legacy and US fiscal policy. The investigation into the June 12, 2025 Air India flight crash, which killed 260 people, is examining several possible causes, including a software-triggered engine malfunction. US aviation attorney raised concerns about a known glitch in Boeing 787's thrust control system that could lead to power loss mid-air. The Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau, AIIB, is analyzing black box data, maintenance records, and other evidence. A possible sabotage angle is also under investigation. On June 30, 2025, Pakistan Army Chief Asim Munir had once again stirred controversy, calling terrorism in Jammu and Kashmir a legitimate struggle under international law. Speaking at a naval ceremony in Karachi, Munir reiterated Pakistan's commitment to supporting Kashmir's cause through political, diplomatic, and moral means. He also warned India of a swift and befitting response to any military actions, adding to tensions following recent flare-ups between the two nations. Wrapping up, we welcome you to the universe of Asli Kahani, where stories aren't told for views but for change. Like, share, and subscribe to support journalism that slows down, digs deep, and doesn't talk over you. Drop your thoughts in the comments and let us know what you think. We'll be back shortly. Until then, be smart, be alert, be aware, and most importantly, be Asli.